class 9th, 11th November 2020. We reached at the last module of this chapter. We start this chapter with various exercise or role play, that what is election, why election is important, and this is the scenario of the election also, because in two states, rather in three states, there were in two states by-election, and one state general election was held. In Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat also by-election, and in Bihar, that is general election. So our chapter express through these election manifestos and several things. Now we read at the end of this module what makes election in India democratic. Students, democracy, Greek word demos and kratos, powers in the hand of the people, that is known as democracy. So in India, generally election held in democratic manner. What do you mean by democratic manner? Any one of you can answer in chat box. What is democratic manner? So I am getting the answer. Democratic manner means the citizen of the nation have the equal right to vote. At the same time, the citizen of the nation have the belief in democratic government. There is no permanent dictatorship. EC, Election Commissioner. Just after the appointment of the election commissioner, he is not answerable to the president of the nation. EC is the most powerful person. It is his duty to conduct the election. Election commissioner, it is his duty to conduct the election in the different part of the nation. For example, in Bihar, EC takes the final decision. He takes the final decision. He is not answerable to any government office. He takes his decision. He doesn't allow anyone to interrupt his work. So this is the part of India's elections democratic. Okay, transparent way to represent. EC works equal for everyone. Election Commission is not giving any such right to the ruling party or opposition party or subordinate party. No. According to rule and regulations, every party gets the same benefits or same restrictions. Yes, outcomes sometimes favorable, sometimes not favorable in India. Outcomes of the democracy is not at all good, because we are having several kind of beliefs. We want more things. We are accepting more things from the government. So the outcomes, although it is at least satisfactory. Now challenges to the free and fair election. Excessive use of money, excessive use of criminal background persons in parliament, excessive use of religious sentiment through it flows, caste politics, class politics. So in these ways, these all are the challenges in front of us. Okay, audio notes. Listen carefully. In this chapter, we will study about election is a process through which people choose their representative at regular intervals. Democratic election, equal vote, equal value. Free and fair election must be regular after few years. Two kind of election, general election After every 5 year by-election, one or two constituencies or 3 or 4 vacancies due to the cause of death and resignation. Electoral constituencies, different part of the nation is considered as electoral constituencies. Reserved constituencies, some constituencies are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and OBC. Voter list, the list of the people who are eligible for voting is prepared by the Election Commission of India before election. Above the age of 18 year, above the age of 18 year are the part of this voter list. Nomination of candidate, anyone who can be a voter can also become the candidate in election. Minimum age 25 year, election campaigning with the symbol of the party or independent, they can campaign before the polling date. Polling and counting as a pre-decided date. As a pre-decided date, polling is there, and after polling, counting, just like Bihar election. What make election in India democratic? Independent Election Commission. After the appointment of election commissioner, president cannot remove him. Generally, the ruling party lose the election or face the problem during the time of second tenure or third tenure. In India, about half of the sitting MPs or MLAs lose the election. Challenges to the free and fair election. Candidate and parties use lot of money. Candidate having the criminal background, family dynastic succession or dominance of a family. Example, in both the political party, BJP and Congress. Smaller parties and independent candidates suffer a huge disadvantage when the bigger parties were standing against them. So now these all are the summarized notes of this chapter.